Hello and welcome to my course about freelancing for designers and developers. Now, I have been freelancing from past 8 years and I have faced a lot of problems in my career dealing with clients from a lot of different countries. So a lot of students were asking me about how to freelance. So here is my course. Now, let me introduce you how this course has been laid out. Now, the first section will be covering the qualities of a great freelancer. Okay. In the second section of this course, I'm going to cover up all the mistakes of a newbie freelancers and all the freelancers when they start their career, what mistakes they can avoid, how they are going to price themselves higher even in the start of their career, and how to avoid their portfolio and profile mistakes, and a lot of other things. In the third section of this course, I am going to cover skills related to job hunting, how to write effective job applications, how to write effective proposals, and what about selecting effective clients and the right jobs. There is a whole section on freelancing apps in my course. I'm going to cover collaboration apps, time tracking apps, invoicing apps, video conferencing apps, and Pomodoro and productivity apps for freelancers. So don't miss out that section. Now, coming towards the biggest question, I have been asked many times how to find freelance jobs. Now, I am going to cover almost 8 different categories of job finding websites, and I am going to share with you more than 60 freelance websites to find freelance jobs. Okay. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and get into some good freelancing stuff and build your freelance career.